focus lines plane can be found in SASSE Library Effects Foreground. We can drag and drop that into our scene. I'll just move that forward a little bit, scale it up, and then let's take a look. So this is sort of giving the impression of someone, moving quite fast. Maybe Suzanne here is, running down a hall or flying backwards or something. We can go into the modifier tab and adjust the center width. We can squash the lines or spread them out. We can stretch the lines or press them together. And we can change the noise scale here. So all of these will have slightly different effects on these lines going past. We can change the color. The black level and white level also allows you to get a bit finer control. So if it's just a little too much or not quite enough, you can move them. You can flip the colors, change the emission strength, and then the speed factor to slow down the lines if you need.